Okay, y'all, so I'm coming back. This has been an interesting morning. Crazy part is when you try to do everything you're supposed to do, it's always something that's going to try to hinder you. I have been at Crossroads since 9:30 this morning. Crazy. I wanted to check mail. I'm okay because the morning start off rocky because you know people want to try to test you in the morning. And if you're a coffee drinker, you already know. Don't talk to me until I have my coffee, okay? So it started this morning and I'm trying to brush it off. I'm like, okay, Lord, that happened this morning. But it just keep continuing to happen. Like, why do people want to test you? They know, like I said, they taking their job to the extreme instead of making sure what their job is. It's not to try to, I don't know what the word is, but it has been interesting. I'm trying to fathom everything right now. It's just crazy. So now I'm on my way to go do this apartment tour. Now I didn't know that mail, they have you line up at 9:30. Mail they don't start checking mail until 11. Mind you, I went inside the building already to go and, do other paperwork. And then on top of that, now we're not doing mail, so you have to come back. I come back, it's another whole line. I gotta stand in line to check mail. Of course, okay, mail ain't there, so I'm a little irritated because my mail ain't there yet. That's out of everybody's control. Okay, I understand that. But when the rudeness come in, that's a problem for me. When the person saw me leave, as in when you come and get service, they give you a ticket so you can have lunch there, right? You either get the ticket or you get a sack lunch and you leave out. I did neither. Okay, I didn't get the sack lunch and I didn't get the ticket. What is going on my face? Oh my God, I don't know what is going on my face, y'all. I don't know if it's a sun. I don't know if I'm having a reaction to something. This is insane. What is going on my face? But anyway, okay. I'm gonna have to go to a dermatologist for sure because this is insane. I thought it was a sun. This seemed like it's a little more serious than what fathom it to be. Okay, so did the card work? Now I'm thinking my card's expired. I don't even know at this point. I don't know what's going on. It seemed like everything is trying to block me from getting to this appointment. Everything is trying to block me from getting to this appointment, and I'm trying my hardest. Trying my hardest not to let nothing. But you already know when you are determined to do something, that's when everything starts to. The enemy is busy this morning. Busy. But anyway, let me finish telling y'all. So now, like I said, I didn't get the sack lunch and I didn't get the ticket to have lunch there. Another person was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the sack lunches. The security's like, no, she already went to the back. I left. So how did I go to the back if I left and I just stood back in line to come inside? I understand it'd be a lot going on, but make it make sense. Please make it make sense. You don't jump to conclusions until you know what's really going on. So I'm like, you know what? It's okay. I don't even need the sack lunch. If it's that serious, let somebody, leave it for somebody else. But the person was like, no, I'm going to go ahead and take it. Okay, go ahead and take it. But at the end of the day, it's just a sack lunch, so it's not going to make me break me. Right? But anyway, so now I have an appointment that I'm probably not going to make it to because they're stopping at 2 and it's already going on 1 o'clock. But anyway, did it work that time? So is the card expired, you think? Okay, I have another one. Let me see.
I just bought one.
Why did you buy one instead of saying something?
Take your 50. When we go back in, you're going to get your 50 cents, move it over to this card.
Is that going to work like that?
Yeah.
If it's expired. Huh, okay.
Expired or not? I'm putting it in your back pocket. No, I'm putting it in your book bag.
Put it on the side right there just in case I have to swipe.
This is the one we're going to take the money off of.
Yeah. I don't think that worked like that, but okay.
I'm a professional.
You are.
Let me do what I do.
Okay.
Please. I don't know how many other ways there is.
There is none. There is none.
Everything that you think can't be done, if there's a way for it to be done, I'm gonna figure it out.
Okay.
So I already know
Okay.
pretty much what I was talking about.
Okay. Well, I'm glad I found out it was expired just in case I
So
ran into
the
that
other
issue
card doesn't
again.
have anything on it. What do you know?
Which one?
You say you had
The
another
other card. Yeah,
See,
so
I
let
didn't
me
know
see.
you had another card.
Right, that's why I wanted you just to see, just to
Okay, but
test that
either
one
way,
out.
if it is,
I didn't know you was gonna do that. Thank you, but okay. I'm gonna have to buy another tar. But shoot, do I have it with me? Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna call y'all back.
With your appliances, fridge, stove, and dishwasher.
Awesome. I'm excited. I gotta keep this energy, baby. Got to. I love the front. I love it. If you don't mind, I'm not gonna record you, but I just want to get the okay. I just, I'm excited. Woo. Look, we're a step closer. Look, a step closer. Okay. Okay. So already all this have the white.
Yes, some of them are, for the most part, all the cabinets are going to be white.
Okay.
Your countertops may look a little different, but for the most part, yes. This will be like your dining room area.
Okay.
And then you have your patio. Of course,
Yes.
maintenance would have
Yes.
to all blown away.
Okay. Okay. Awesome.
You do have your patio.
Okay. I like it.
Then we'll walk back here.
Hang on, I'm gonna call it.
So you have one bedroom to the left right here.
Okay.
With two
Oh, it's a nice size. Okay, so I like the
It's big enough
size.
for either bedroom is big enough for a king size.
Right. Cause I have it, But I like this, and you got two closets. Okay. So what is considered the master? You would say, cause I got two closets, or what?
I would say this would be maybe more so your secondary room, and this room over here would be
So they
your
both
primary.
have two closets?
This one has a walk-in closet.
Oh, okay. Let me look. I'm a step ahead, y'all. I'm a step ahead. Look. But I love it. Have the two closets. Oh, okay. Speaking it. Love it.
Alright, so you do have your bathroom. It has the double vanity.
Awesome.
So 2 seats.
Yes.
Your tub, and then your toilet on the other side.
Okay. But I like this, y'all. Look. Two. You got two of them. Look. Okay. Perfect. Look. It's
Perfect.
yes.
So this is where your AC and your water heater would be.
Okay.
You have an extra closet.
Okay.
And then you go inside your primary bedroom with the walk-in closet. Now, of course, it would have all the shelving. and everything
Right. But this is okay. Yes.
So if you have like a dresser
if you
or
want
something like that, you can put it in there.
It's in fact a walk-in closet. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Okay. I mean, I do like the double closet though. I do like that. But this nice size room too.
And then for either bedroom, you can mount your TV if you like,
Okay.
or in the living room. If you would like to paint, you can. Of course, you just probably have to paint it back.
To the normal.
Prior to
Okay.
being moved
Well, I don't
out.
want to get the front.
If you would like to put like a ring camera or anything like that, feel free. You can definitely do that as well.
I like my iPhone. It's just my the other side is messed up. Yes, so I have to use this one side, but I'm excited just to even have the tour, But I like it. Y'all. I like it. Okay, hold on, y'all.